All right, we're in the volume and surface area assessment, and we're doing the reteach, and we're on question 5. It says, Mr. Teal's wife went on a business trip to Cairo and purchased a rectangular pyramid. So I already know what shape I have here. A rectangular pyramid is a gift. The pyramid was filled, so I'm probably talking about volume, with authentic Egyptian sand that has a volume of 42 inches cubed. What is the height of the pyramid? Rounded to the nearest tenth. All right, so first thing I need to do is figure out my formula. I know that it's a pyramid, so it's 1/3 capital BH. Okay, so I know that this makes up my base down here at the bottom. Okay, so what I need to do first is to figure out, since it's a rectangular pyramid, I know that to find the length of a rectangle, I just do length times width. Okay, now I'm going to bring down the h because I haven't used it. So times h, bring down my 1/3. Don't forget your 1/3. And then v equals. Now all I'm going to do is plug in the numbers that I have or that I know. So I know that 42 is volume. So underneath the v, I'm going to write 42. 42 equals 1/3. And then my length is 4.5. My width is 3.5. And then I have h. Well, I have a lot of stuff going on this side and not much going on over here. So what I can do is I can simplify this, and just because everything's being multiplied, I can go ahead and multiply it together. Now, a lot of people forgot how to do a fraction on the calculator. I've told my students over and over, a fraction is a division problem. So they know when they see a fraction, it's just a division problem. So in your calculator, you could do parentheses, 1 divided by 3, close parentheses. Now I have the fraction. And then we're going to multiply times 4.5, and then multiply it by 3.5. When I get that, I get 5.25. So all of this combined equals 5.25. Now let's see. I didn't use 42, so I'm going to bring 42 down. Bring my equal sign down. And lastly, I didn't use that h, so I'm going to bring it down. Now this is just a normal one-step, easy, plain Jane, one-step algebra problem. Right now, 5 25/100 is being multiplied with h. I'm trying to get h by itself, so the way that you isolate is you do the opposite operation. Well, the opposite of multiply is divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5.25. So on my calculator, 42 divided by 5.25, and it equals 8 wholes. Now this tells me to round to the nearest tenth, but can I round a whole number? No. So the answer should just be D.